with Genesis. I've been in the organization for, I guess, a little over 3 years. I'm the design faculty chair, so which is the kind of design component of the education program. I'm a licensed architect, which I think is a unique position to have in a pool and spa industry, construction component. And so as I know that there are a lot of people that oftentimes go, well, what's an architect doing in the pool world? And architects as an industry component are coordinators, and I oftentimes facilitate between builders, landscape architects, and anything design related. So I think when I was asked to be that design chair, it was from the position of being someone who naturally coordinates disparate, different identities and interests. So relative to initiatives, specifically the thing that I teach that I think that most people see the connection to is architectural styles, which is a master level course that then creates a holistic backyard environment between any kind of outdoor pool structures to the pool itself and to the architectural style that's relative to the structure itself. As a new component to the Genesis kind of arsenal of classes is I've gotten very much into wellness. And wellness and the architectural built environment has a significant component to to the idea of how people interact with their environment. And I think that that's a topic that is emerging and becoming much more in the forefront.